Venus. Happy 50th birthday, Day. Enjoy your party and may tatog na ako din ha kay double celebration on tata, but anyway someday pohon mag-start na po tagdungan og celebrate diha kunan ako diha. So anyway, Day, happy birthday and I hope you enjoy your day and wish you all the best and happiness in life and enjoy being a mommy. You know, mama I dream na to become a mommy. So sa pa man, and mora na day, oy, I'm not good in greetings should I pero tahibaw ba jud ka nga tabian jud kay ko. So magtilibabad na lang ta, but sige, happy birthday din ha. I love you so much.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, yeah.
Happy birthday. On this special day, we wish you all the best, all the joy that you can have. May you will be blessed abundantly, not only today, but tomorrow and all the days to come. Once again, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita! May you have an amazing day. More blessings to come and enjoy your day. Happy birthday again!
Happy birthday, ate!
Happy birthday, ya! Stay who you are. Sana magbago ka na. Charis, happy birthday! Go! Happy birthday, Yaya!
Hi, me. Akong asawa nga mas kinabuton, pinakabuutan, yaw-yawera, no? Pero grabe kabuutan dyan, no? So lapabol ng pagkatao, no? Happy birthday, happy 50th birthday. Then wish na kung okay ang health kay tapat lang at tapabay kay tao na itong anak, atong ampingan ng atong isig kakawalingon para makita ta si Inday nga manay anak po daron makakukus sa atong apo. Then I think wala naman kayo masulti nimo ka para mag-isulti nimo during sa pag-birthday nimo pag September 4. Basta kay amping ta sa isa-isa, then the love and respect at kanunay ipaprevail. Then I love you po. Wish you all the best. More birthdays to come. Then good health and have a perfect wealth of friends, not in money. No friends, relatives, o unsa pa na diha nga makalipay na to. Dili ta magpa-stress sa life. Again, thank you sa tanan sa pagsabot, sa pagsuporta sa atong mga pangandoy, sa atong mga ambitions kay kanitanan para man sa atong anak nga si Inday Leona. I love you. Happy birthday.